guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle, and if you're following me on Instagram, you know that I keep talking about my vacation, which probably when this uploads I'll be back from my vacation, but I'm leaving on Friday, so I want to share some of my recent bathing suit hauls, as I'm sure the rest of you will be looking for bathing suits for the summer, so let's just get into it. So the first 3 bathing suits that I'm going to show you are from Olivia & Rose, and throughout this whole video, all my bathing suits are size medium. So if you're looking for helping with sizing or anything like that, that will just help you get a better idea of what size to order if you're ordering from any of these websites. So like I said, the first one is from Olivia & Rose, and it's one of the reversible, I can't even speak. And I've never had one of these before, but I really like it. I think it's kind of cool. So I like the bottoms of these ones mostly just because it says Aloha on the butt, which is really cute. And then it reverses into having a little striped bottom. And then the top, there's like different tops that you can get that will match with this. So just depending on your preference. But I got this cute little one because it's pineapples, so I felt like that was just appropriate to get. And then of course the other side is the stripes just to match with the bottoms. The second one from Olivia & Rose is this flowered top, and I liked it because of the racer back. I don't know, racer back? Yeah, I think that's what you call it, with the lines. So it kind of has like a sporty feel to it, and I like these ones when doing more sports type things on vacation, just because you know your boobs are going to stay in and they're not going to fly everywhere. So I like it for that reason, and I just like the little stripes. And a good thing about this one, because I've tried many of these bathing suits before with these sides before, like the open sides, and I found that it bulged too much, like it got too tight, and it just didn't look nice anymore. So with this one, I really felt that it didn't do that. So it didn't have any of the bulging, so it's super comfortable. And then the bottoms are just matching ones. Very simple with the line too at the side and a little bit of a cheeky bum. I've been trying them all on, so I don't have them any like set up. They're just like the ties are everywhere. So the last one from Olivia & Rose is this little sporty top one. And once again, I just wanted some that were higher up just for different sports, as we're going to do some water activities when we're away. And it is reversible as well, so you have this pattern, and then you could also have a little like pink pattern if you wanted that instead. And then I like the back just because it's open and it has the ties, which really makes it more versatile, as depending on just the fit of bathing suit that you want, you can really make it tighter or looser. It's just more comfortable that way when you have it. And then the bottoms as well, so just very simple, not much to them, just the design. And then of course they are reversible as well, and you could do the pink. These last 4 bathing suits that I have are from a website called Swimsuit, and it is a new website that I've never worked with before, but when I got in contact with them, they were very happy to send me a few bathing suits for review for my upcoming trip. And I love the fit of these, and they are so different from what I've seen in other places. So I'm really excited to show you guys these ones. So the first one, I like this one because of the color. It was just like a blue, kind of reminds me of like a pool liner, I guess the pattern. But I thought it looked really cool against like the crystal blue water of the Bahamas. So just a simple top like that, and then the back just has a little tie, once again, just making it adjustable to fit just about anyone, so it's way more comfortable. And I like the size medium for that, it fit really well. And then the bottoms are just the same color with little open sides, you can see. Hopefully you can see that, just a little open. Yeah, and these ones have a cheeky bottom, which I really like. And I went with the size medium, as sometimes I wear size small, but medium just fits a little bit better, as I find it didn't give me cut in at the sides. So if you're looking for that, definitely go with the size medium. It will just be a little more comfortable for you. Okay, second last is this bathing suit. So it's like a bandeau top, and I liked it first of all just because of the colors in it. I thought it was really pretty. But in the inside, it's good because some bandeaus don't have this. It's not a lot of support. So in the inside, you can see that there's a wire, so it makes it a little more comfortable if you have a larger chest. And then at the back, it's just like a tie-up. So once again, just making it super comfortable just for about anyone, just making it as loose or as tight as you want for your bathing suit. And yeah, it has good coverage at the top, which is nice, and it really keeps in place. So this would be good for like beach volleyball or any of those kind of beach sports. And then these are a different type of bottom and probably one of my favorites that they have. So just the same material, but then the little open side, which I really like, and then their cheeky bottom as well. Last but not least is one of my favorites, as one pieces have been everywhere lately, and I've been scared to try them, but I know I had to do it with this one. So because when I saw it, it was just so beautiful. I was first thinking a one piece in the army green color that I showed you, but then I spotted this one and it is beautiful. So with the black and then the lace, then it just has a tie up and then the open back. It is just a stunning bathing suit. I absolutely love this one, and I think it's a good little twist on a one piece, as it has like a sexy appeal to it, and it's a one piece. And for this one, I did go with a size medium, but I found it a little more open on the side, so you could go to a size small just depending on your other measurements and just what you feel comfortable with. But yeah, this is probably one of my favorites. Like, I've never seen a bathing suit like this in my life. I have a dress that's very similar to this, but in a bathing suit, it is so cute. Those were my bathing suits for 2018 for my vacation. I hope you guys like it. As mentioned, these bathing suits were given to me from Levian Rose as well as Swim Systems, and I just wanted to do a video review just because I found it a little bit easier to show you the different styles and just what you could be looking for your summer vacations or winter vacations, depending when you're watching this. But let me know in the comments below which bathing suit was your favorite, and I think that's about it. Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, as I'll be back every week with more DIYs and just other videos whenever I feel like uploading. So make sure you subscribe for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.